Just imagine that today is finally closing day. After months of searching for the right home, making a few offers, you're able to secure a contract on a place that checks all of the boxes. You got through inspections, repair negotiations, appraisal, and financing conditions, and you even wired in the funds for your down payment and closing costs a couple days in advance. You go to the attorney's office and you sign all of the documents needed for closing. And just as things are wrapping up and you're waiting to get the keys, the attorney asks if you've ever sent in the wire transfer for your balance due to close. You assure everyone that it was sent a couple of days ago, but the money never shows up in the attorney's account. You go back through your emails and you find the wiring instructions that you used, but then you notice something that you didn't catch a couple of days ago. 2 letters are transposed in the domain of the sender's email address, which means that the email didn't actually come from the law firm. A very sophisticated cyber criminal sent you fake wiring instructions, and you actually wired tens of thousands of dollars to the wrong bank account. And because the scammer created a new fake email address, rather than hacking into the email account of the law firm, there's no cybercrime insurance policy to cover your loss. The money is gone and the transaction falls apart. Believe it or not, wire fraud has become very prevalent. The Federal Trade Commission estimates that Americans lose over $1 billion a year to real estate-related wire fraud schemes. These cybercriminals can be very convincing. For example, the lender or attorney might send you the real instructions, but then the next day you might receive another email claiming that they made some banking changes, asking you to use the new wiring instructions instead. The good news is that there's a very simple way to avoid becoming a victim of wire fraud. Whenever you receive wiring instructions via email, whether from a real estate agent, lender, or attorney, you always want to call and verbally confirm routing and account numbers over the phone before initiating wire transfer. And make sure not to use a phone number included in the actual email, but do a little bit of homework and make sure you're actually calling the local office of the escrow agent. Taking a few minutes to verbally confirm wire instructions could save you from losing tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you have any questions at all about wire instructions or anything else real estate related, then call or email us today and we'll connect you with one of our top agents. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.